Hello, I'm David Labby from BeaverPress. In this video, I'm going to showcase how to use the new Layout Settings extended plugin background images, as well as the connection field. So let's get started. So this is just a simple sign up form page that I set up. It's using the themes background image as a background. So if I went to the themes customizer, the background image, and there's that image there. So this page is using that for an image. As well as I set up another page, pretty much the same page, other it's just blue, so you can distinguish the two between when I go back and forth, and it's also using that same image. So let's go ahead and change the first page background image, and we'll set it to a new image. So we can go to Layout Settings, Background. This is the new Layout Settings extended tab here called Background, and we're just going to go to background photo, and we're going to change it to something else, and we'll do like a cityscape. We'll select that photo, and the background, it updates. We'll save that, and as you can see, we just set our new photo different from the themes background photo. And so on another page, we can just go ahead and do another custom photo, background, custom. And we'll choose another one. We'll do the wood grain this time. We'll select that. As you can see, that also updates as well. So now we have two different pages with two different backgrounds that are separate from our theme's default background image. So that's kind of cool. So let's go ahead and go up a notch here, and we're going to use a field connection for the background image. So let's go ahead and we'll use this demo page here. We're going Layout Settings and the background, and let's go ahead and let's remove this for now, and let's go ahead and add a field connection. The post featured image, we'll connect that, and we'll set that to a large, and we'll just leave the default image alone for now. We'll save that, and that looks all good, and we'll save that. Oh, actually, we got to go set our featured image, so we're going to go to the General tab. Again, this is another tab, settings within the Layout Settings extended plugin, and we can set our featured image. And let's go ahead, and we're going to have to choose a different image. So let's go ahead and choose this one here, and select that, and we'll save. And we're going to have to save and publish, and it will update and showcase the new featured image in the background. So we can go ahead and change that featured image. Let's go ahead. I'm going to use the Themer templates plugin here. I'm going to edit the page, and when it opens up, I can change the image right here. And let's go ahead, and I will add, we'll do this keyboard or laptop as a featured image. We'll select that, and we'll update the page, and the page will update, and you can see the featured image. The background image changes according to the featured image because of the connection field. So let me just point out that if you do not have the Beaver Themer plugin, the field connections, let me just bring that up. The field connection option here will not be available. This becomes available if you have the Beaver Themer plugin installed with Beaver Builder. Just wanted to point that out. Okay, so now let's move on to something really cool. Okay, so let's go to the admin side of the website. I'm going to load up my Themer layouts page. I set up a post template ahead of time. This is a Beaver Themer template, and it's going to showcase on all my posts within my website. So let's go ahead and activate the Beaver Builder, and I'll show you what this looks like. And it's just a very, very simple post layout template, and it's using the themes background image as a image, and other than that, it's just a very simple layout. So I want to go ahead and open up Layout Settings, and these are again settings from the Layout Settings extended plugin. I can go ahead and add a field connection for my background photo, and I'm going to choose a featured image, and I'm going to choose the large. And I'm going to add a default image in case there is no featured image available, and I don't want to use the theme's default image as a background image. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this image here. We'll select that. We're going to save that. So again, in the background, you can see the default image has been loaded in. We are using a post-featured image as a background photo, and this is a field connection. And let's go ahead and save this. So now let's publish this page or this Themer layout. Now if I go to the front of the website, let's go to my demo page here. Let's go ahead and save this, close this out, publish that. I'm going to use the Themer layouts or Themer templates plugin to create a new post. And Themer templates is a BeaverPress plugin as well. Let's go ahead and create a new post. And I'm going to call this, let's call it demo post. And I'm going to paste in some lorem ipsum text. Paste that in. We're going to set our featured image, which will be our background image for this post, because we set that within our Themer layout. And we're going to create our post. And because we have that field connection for our background image, we now have that cityscape as a background image for this post. And let's go ahead and create another post. And let's go ahead and just call it test. Paste in some text. Upload another featured image. And we'll do the wood grain. And let's go ahead and create the post. So a separate post now uses a different featured image, which is the new background image for this post. So as you can see, the power within the layout setting extended and how you can really get really creative with this. So I hope you enjoyed this. This was just a quick overview of how to use the new layout settings extended background photo and field connections option. If you have any other questions, please contact me. I am David Labby from BeaverPress, and I will see you next time. Thank you.